Welcome to yet another unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox the budget lavalier microphone called Boya By M1. So this is the box Boya By M1 comes with. Let's take a closer look. Here we can see the picture of different devices this mic works with. From QR code or the number at the top, you can verify the product is genuine or not by going to the Boya's official website or simply scanning the QR. At the back we have some specs of the microphone which we will see later. So now let's open the box and see what's inside. There is a black pouch with this Boya branding. The pouch may look like a leather, but trust me, it isn't. Inside the pouch we have microphone itself and some paperwork. Here is the user manual. Let's keep the accessories aside and have a look at microphone itself. The cable is way longer than I expected. Oops, nearly forgot those. In this small transparent plastic we have this metal pin to attach in the clothes, a pop filter, a battery, and this jack. Now we are good to go. This really feels nice. Here is 3.5mm jack which has 4 rings, that means it should work with mobile phones also. Here is the tip of the microphone and let's attach the clip to it. Yeah, you need to give some pressure and it's done. Now this is the most important compartment in the microphone. It has the Boya branding and this switch. If you are using this microphone with camera, move the switch to camera part, and if it's mobile then move the switch to off/smartphone mode. You need battery to use this mic with camera, so let's open this compartment and put the battery in it. Let's take the battery now. There is plus signal in the mic, so check the plus signal in battery also and insert it correctly, otherwise the microphone won't work. The battery is in place, so I'll just close it. Let's put the foam in the tip of the microphone and the setup of microphone is complete. Now we'll see the specs of the microphone. Boya By M1 is omnidirectional condenser microphone. Its frequency range is from 65 Hz to 18 kHz. Its noise/signal is 74 dB SPL. Its output impedance is 1000 ohm or less, and the connector is 3.5mm jack, and so on. Just look in the screen, okay? So now let's test the microphone. The voice you are hearing is from Boya By M1 connected directly to Android without any audio edits. The voice you are hearing is from Boya By M1 and I'm banging in the keyboard. The price of this microphone is around $20 and I definitely recommend this to you because it's cheap, it's good and it gets the job done. This concludes our video and we hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel for more unboxing and tutorial video for free. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye everybody. Happy learning. See you guys in the next video.